Front wheel removal procedure. Park the vehicle in center stand. Turn the kill switch to off position and switch off the ignition key. By using jack, lift the front portion of the vehicle. Use 6 mm Allen key to loosen 1 number front pinch bolt. Use 16 mm double end spanner and 24 mm ring spanner to remove 1 number wheel spindle nut M16 into 1.5. Remove the washer, spindle and spacer from the front wheel. Remove the front wheel from the vehicle. Front wheel refitment procedure. Fix the front wheel along with spindle, washer and spacer. Use 16 mm double end spanner and 24 mm ring spanner to tighten 1 number wheel spindle nut M16 into 1.5. Apply 70 Nm torque. Use 6 mm Allen key to tight 1 number front pinch bolt. Apply torque of 25 Nm to the pinch bolt. Remove the jack from its position.